Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some of the most mind-blowing facts about our home planet, Earth. From the molten heart of our world to the very edge of its atmosphere, we'll uncover hidden wonders that might just change the way you see our place in the cosmos. Get ready to be amazed. We're about to embark on a journey to explore the awe-inspiring power and delicate balance of the planet we call home. Prepare to be surprised, for Earth, as we'll soon discover, holds secrets more fantastic than any work of fiction. Deep beneath our feet, far below the crust and mantle, lies a place of unimaginable heat and pressure, the Earth's core. This isn't just some warm cavern. Scientists believe it burns at temperatures exceeding 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. That's as hot as the surface of the sun. How do we know this scorching inferno exists? The answer lies in studying seismic waves, those ripples of energy that travel through the Earth during earthquakes. By analyzing how these waves are bent and slowed as they pass through different layers, scientists have been able to piece together a picture of our planet's interior. The core itself is divided into two parts. The outer core, a swirling ocean of liquid iron and nickel, generates Earth's magnetic field, our shield against harmful radiation from space. Deeper still lies the inner core, a solid ball of iron and nickel alloy. The immense pressure at this depth, over 3.5 million times that at sea level, forces the atoms to pack so tightly that they become solid, even at these incredible temperatures. It's a place of unimaginable extremes, this heart of our planet, and yet it's essential for life as we know it. The core's intense heat drives the movement of tectonic plates, shaping our continents and creating mountains. And its magnetic field, generated by the churning outer core, protects us from the constant bombardment of solar wind that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere. High above us, the moon has captivated humanity for millennia. But what if I told you that our planet once had two moons? This intriguing theory suggests that billions of years ago, a smaller companion moon shared the sky with our familiar lunar neighbor. The evidence, some scientists believe, lies in the stark contrast between the two sides of our current moon. The near side, the one we always see, is relatively smooth with vast plains. The far side, forever hidden from our view, is heavily cratered and mountainous. Could this difference be explained by the collision of two ancient moons? Imagine, if you will, a time when our solar system was a much more chaotic place. Debris from the formation of planets still littered the young solar system, and collisions were commonplace. It's thought that during this tumultuous period, a smaller moon, perhaps half the size of our current one, formed alongside our familiar moon. For millions of years, these two celestial bodies danced around each other and the Earth, locked in a gravitational ballet. But this delicate balance couldn't last forever. Eventually, the smaller moon's orbit decayed, and it spiraled inward, drawn towards the Earth by gravity's relentless pull. The inevitable collision, when it came, would have been a slow-motion affair spread out over thousands of years. The smaller moon wouldn't have slammed into our current moon with a planet-shattering impact. Instead, it would have been a drawn-out merger, a celestial embrace that gradually reshaped our moon into the form we see today. The evidence for this ancient collision, while compelling, is still circumstantial, but the possibility that our moon once had a smaller sibling adds another layer of intrigue to our celestial companion. We often picture the Earth as a perfect sphere, a globe spinning gracefully in the vastness of space. But the reality, as with so much in nature, is a bit more complex. Our planet, you see, isn't perfectly round. It's an oblate spheroid, a shape that's slightly squashed at the poles and bulging at the equator. This seemingly subtle difference is due to the centrifugal force created by Earth's rotation. As our planet spins, this outward force is strongest at the equator, where the Earth's circumference is largest. This outward push causes the equator to bulge slightly, giving the Earth its slightly squashed shape. Now, you might be thinking, how much of a difference can this slight bulge really make? Well, it turns out that it has a surprising impact on gravity. Because the Earth bulges at the equator, you actually weigh slightly less at the equator than you do at the poles. That's because you're farther from the Earth's center of mass at the equator. This difference in gravitational pull also affects the way water is distributed across the planet. The oceans bulge slightly at the equator, just like the Earth itself. And this bulge influences ocean currents and tides, playing a vital role in regulating Earth's climate. So the next time you look at a globe, remember that our planet is a bit more complex and intriguing than it might first appear. It's not a perfect sphere, but a dynamic, ever-changing oblate spheroid, constantly shaped by the forces of rotation and gravity. We often think of the Earth's atmosphere as a thin blue line protecting our planet from the harsh vacuum of space. But recent discoveries have revealed a truly astonishing fact. Earth's atmosphere actually extends far beyond the Moon's orbit. This revelation came from studying the behavior of a type of hydrogen atom called geocoronal hydrogen. This hydrogen, found in the outermost layer of our atmosphere, called the exosphere, interacts with sunlight in a way that can be detected by specialized instruments. What scientists found was astonishing. The geocoronal hydrogen surrounding Earth doesn't just stop at the Moon, which orbits at an average distance of 238,900 miles. It extends far beyond, forming a vast teardrop-shaped region called the geocorona that stretches out to a distance of about 391,000 miles, well past the Moon's orbit. This discovery has profound implications for space exploration. For one thing, it means that future space telescopes positioned beyond the Moon's orbit could potentially study the composition and behavior of Earth's atmosphere from a completely new perspective. It also raises intriguing questions about the potential impact of the geocorona on future lunar missions and even on the habitability of other planets. When we gaze up at the night sky, we're often awestruck by the sheer number of stars sprinkled across the cosmos. But what if I told you that there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy? It's true. While estimates vary, scientists believe there are over 3 trillion trees on our planet. That's 3 followed by 12 zeros. To put that into perspective, the Milky Way, our home galaxy, contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. That means for every star in our galaxy, there are roughly 10 trees here on Earth. Think about that for a moment. Our planet is teeming with an astonishing abundance of life, represented by these silent giants that shape our landscapes and sustain our very existence. Trees are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing the oxygen we breathe. They provide habitat for countless species, from insects to birds to mammals. They stabilize the soil, prevent erosion, and regulate water cycles. And let's not forget the simple beauty and tranquility they bring to our lives. A walk in the woods can lower blood pressure, reduce stress hormones, and boost our overall well-being. So the next time you see a tree, take a moment to appreciate its quiet majesty. These arboreal wonders, far from being passive elements of the landscape, are vital contributors to the delicate balance of life on Earth. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these crazy facts about Earth, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. There's still so much to explore about our home planet, from the deepest oceans to the highest mountains. Together, we'll continue to uncover the mysteries and marvel at the wonders of this pale blue dot we call home. Until next time, keep your sense of wonder alive and never stop exploring the world around you. See you next time.